Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy RaidersFan3179. Right now, I came back with you with another video. This time, I want to do my first ever DIY project with a 1x6. Which, for those of you guys that didn't saw some of my pictures, which now the ones that you're looking at it right now, these are the pictures that my dad wants to make. If you guys are interested, if any of you Monster Jam fans or any of you guys are interested in, message my dad. His name will be down in the description down below. And also, guys, I'm going to do my first ever DIY project. So right now, I'm going to show you guys how do we do it and how we done it. And also, this is a dedication to one of my favorite YouTubers, SuperMarioLogan himself, Logan 30 Acres. So Logan, or if anyone's watching, like Logan, Chili, Tito, or Lance, or any of the SML crew, if you guys watch this, I hope you guys give it a like and leave a comment. And if you guys want me to do more or something like that, just let me know. So link is down in the description, guys, if you guys don't want to talk about, to Logan's channel, SuperMarioLogan. I'll send you guys to the link with him, his girlfriend, his older brother, and his brother-in-law's channel, so you guys could look at it for yourselves. Alright, guys, I want to see how you guys do it. So this time I'm going to do their characters and possibly their names. So I'm going to do it on the, not everything in the name, but I might have to cut in half, so we'll see how it goes. So I'll catch you guys on the rebound. Alright, guys, so listen up. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the names of the characters of, you know, the SML crew. Right now I'm trying to look for an opening, because the thing is, you don't want to write on the notch, because the notch is a pain in the butt. So you want to find a clear spot, like these clear areas right here and right here. I mean, I can cut it. What I can do is I can add the names right here, between right here, so no one can realize it, and, you know, repaint this. This thing needs to be molded, so that's all you got to do. So here's what I usually do. Okay, so right now what I'm usually doing, I'm in one of Logan's videos. I'm going to write down his name, Jeffy. So this is what I usually do. So hope you guys like it and see how it does. Okay, so this is what I did first, and this is one of my first ever mistakes I have done. So right now I'm just tracing it from the actual picture from the phone, you know, that Logan was wearing on the Jeffy shirt. And if you guys are interested in Jeffy merchandise, they're selling Jeffy merchandise everywhere at their SML store. So I recommend, for those of you guys who are Jeffy fans or SML fans, go check out their merchandise store. But anyways, back to the video. So what happened was, my drawing did not work out as I expected. The logo went horribly wrong. I was too picky with my drawing, and plus, you know, that it was supposed to be the actual thing. So my dad decided to say, hey, why not do a second plan, like print out the picture? So I was like, oh, okay, yeah, I like it, idea. But, you know, I couldn't even trace it out the lines because, you know, it was too small, and, you know, I want to make it a perfect size. So this is your first ever step one. Do not use permanent marker first. All you got to do is start with the pencil. For those of you guys that are picky with your drawing, start with a pencil, because what's good about pencils, they can erase really good. And after that, you work your way up to the markers. And there you go. See, all you gotta start with a pencil first to trace out where to cut and where to make that line, and then you work your way up to the markers so you can make the perfect line. And that's how it is. So all you gotta do, you know, just take your time and everything. It's no rush, no hurries, unless you guys are in an actual hurry. Well, I'm sorry for you guys, but still, you know, it's a very great project, you know, and even though it's a lot of work, but I'm just doing this for fun. So that's how it does. So just to let you know, it took me like 2 days. This is the next day later, because I did it late at night, all that stuff, so it was way too late to start the machine. So anyways, it worked out good, so let's start with number 2. Alright, guys, so after day number 2, I'm getting ready to finish my thing. What I'm going to use is this machine right here. It's going to make it to a 3D project right now. So all I got to do is, I have my safety glasses, my dust mask, and I have these just to cover my ears for protection. So this is how we do it here. Another thing in my quick advice, remember, just be careful how you outline and everything, otherwise your art is destroyed and there's nothing you can do about it. And also remember, do not put your hands inside the machine whilst unoperated, otherwise you will hurt yourself in the risk of injuries. So always remember, just be aware and be protective and be safe when using around tools, stuff like that, if your Deleys are going to use something like that. And also my other advice is this, just try to be careful with where it goes or any direction, because sometimes it can even make a mistake and you're going to have to refix it, or otherwise you have to deal with some situation you get mad. So try to be aware, be cautious and everything, and just handle everything smoothly, then your artwork will be alright. Alright then, after a long, I'm all dusty right now, you can tell, but I got everything together, so here it is. Ooh la la. You know, it's really took me a couple of, feels like an hour, but I know it should be more than that, but still, you know, it's really a lot of work, you know, that's how it is, like I say. So after the next step of everything, we decided to sand the entire thing. So the reason why, after you're done with the machine, you'll find some splinters and sharp stuff and everything. So what you're gonna have to do is you have to sand the entire thing, and it's worth it in the end. Trust me, because you want your picture smooth as possible as well. If not, then it's gonna turn out worse and stuff like that. So I recommend just sand the entire thing, and not just that, but also get rid of those permanent marker stains. That needs to go too, because you don't need those anymore. You just need them as a mark. So other than that, yeah, you know, that's all you gotta do is what you gotta do is just sand the entire use your sanding machine, sand the entire artwork, and make sure it's nice and smooth, like there's no cracks, no bumps, no splinters, anything like that. So you should be okay. That's all I gotta say. So yeah. Well, I guess everything was back to the way it was. But I know I'm sandy right now, but I'm still not done. I still got to use this. If anyone asks what is this, this is a little sander thing that I have to do this. Yeah, I know. It's a pain, really. I have to do this to do this, like always. So that's how it is. Alright then, I guess I got everything almost under control here. Just a little bit more on the Jeffy sign and the Bowser Jr., the Mario, and the Cody, the Chef PP, and the Joseph. I mean, the Chef PP's not that bad, but still, yeah, I know, it's really a pain in the butt. Also doing the SML logo too, which, you know, it is really a pain, but it's all good, you know, is what it is. So imagine you do this for a couple of hours, you're like, oh. Alright then, right now, my old man cutting this wood right now, so we're gonna see how it looks. Can't wait. Now here comes the final touch. We're gonna paint this baby. Alright, so after that, now it's time to start painting the characters, so let's see how we do. So for your step one, all you gotta do is color the entire thing, but to me, I just usually just color the insides, or in case if it's whatchamacallit, that you got the paint all over something that you don't want, it's okay. There's going to be some sander. I'm starting with the background paint first, like, you know, I'm starting with the yellow color as you see in the video with Jeffy in it. So Jeffy has the yellow shirt with the, you know, the black letters with the, says the word Jeffy, something like that. I know, no, I don't sound like it. But anyways, yeah, so what I'm doing was I'm doing the background colors first. And in case of the colors that I didn't want isn't the lettering, don't worry, I don't worry about that, because, you know, you can resand them again. It'll take off the paint and all that stuff. So I'm just taking my time, you know, just take it easily, smoothly, all that stuff. So, you know, no worries or anything like that. And that's what I'm doing. Alrighty then, so there you go. I did the SML thing, everything, all that stuff. What it needs to do is I'm gonna sand this real quick. I'm gonna let the paint dry a little bit. Then I'm gonna sand this thing. And let's see how it goes. Okay, so it's time to get back to work. So I decided to finish the entire background check of all the SML, so I resand almost every of the paintings. So what I did was I decided to paint the lettering just to make it, to give it, add a little texture in it, and just to make it smooth as possible. So what I'm doing was, you know, I'm just taking my time, even though yeah, it does take patience to do painting. I love painting, I love arting, don't get me wrong. I've been an artist for like quite some time when I was in high school, believe it or not. I mean, I should have been a professional artist, but not really, not that, no, not that professional, but, you know, I'm just much about art. I love drawing stuff. If for those of you guys that saw my animation videos, I recommend check it out. Okay, so anyways, you know, this video was really inspirational for, you know, Super Mario Logan, and everyone asked how I became a Super Mario Logan fan and how I got into it. I had a baby cousin who got me into it in I believe the late 2015 when he showed me the first ever video. I believe is Chef Pee-Pee's, not Chef Pee, I'm sorry, Junior's new pet with the tarantula. Chef Pee-Pee was the first character that makes me crack me up so bad and so hard. And I've been an SML fan for like a couple of years now, but you know, I like Super Mario Logan, and if anyone asks what's my favorite character, man, I will have to say I like Woody, because I like the way how Lance say chew it boy, chew it boy. That's my favorite part. And clearly I like Shrek, how he says oh donkey, like calls Mario donkey, he always eats cheesecake, all that stuff. So anyways, yeah, you know, it's really a great project what I'm doing right now, as I'm trying to color as smooth as possible to make sure everything's clear. And there you go, all set to go. And voila. Just like this guy says, Jacques-Pierre Francois. Came out nice, not bad. I like the Jeffy, the Bowser Jr., the Mario, Cody, Joseph, the Chef Pee-Pee, and the SML logo. I don't know, what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below, and then just let me know what you guys like. Alright guys, now the final touch of this art project. I'm gonna add, I know it's already been used, I'm gonna add this wood stains, which is gonna make it the color a little texture, and you're gonna see how it looks. Okay, so one last call for the day, and yep, I'm using Jeffy's song, everyone should know that. Anyways, I decided to put some wood stains just to make it perfect. So just to let you all know, just be careful with the wood stain. It's, you know, it's a bit of a pain, especially you gotta, you know, paint it really good so you can add the texture and all that stuff. So letting you know, it can be you know, a problem, but in the end it makes the coloring work out, and there it goes, like I say. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked the video, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And this is dedication to one of my favorite YouTubers, Super Mario Logan. Logan, if you're watching this, or any of your crew members, I hope you guys like the project I did and everything like that. So I hope so, but if not, then it's all good, because I totally understand, you know, he has a lot of people to deal with, or any of these guys, he's not the only one. But anyways guys, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you guys want to see more DIY stuff, give me a link right there for more ideas and everything like that. So this is RaidersFan3179. Give a like and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later.